Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on login to proceed forward with your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the language, then within the top right corner alongside your username, you will find the country as well as the language drop-down menu. Just click on this drop-down button and you can choose your language as well as your country. Click on the drop-down menu for language and you can search for whichever language you wish using the search box. Based on the country that you have selected, you might be limited to the languages that are available. So choose your country first and you will be able to see all of the languages that are available. Once you choose your desired language, click on the save button and the language will be applied to the website right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.